If you have never seen this array coding question before, it will be difficult to find the most optimized solution. So given an array of n elements, each element is in the range from 1 to n. Some of the integers appears once, and some of the integers appears twice. Return the numbers that appears twice. Let's say we're given this array, we have 2s and 3s that appears twice, so we can return 2 and 3. Let's go over the thought process. Since the elements are in a range from 1 to n, we can represent them using the indices, which is from 0 to n-1. Now for each of the element x inside the array, we can set the value at index x-1 to a negative value. Now we can repeat the process with the remaining elements. Make sure to find the absolute value before calculating the index. And lastly, if the elements at the index is already negative, then the current elements appear twice. Let's implement the function find duplicates, taking the input array, break the resulting list, iterate through the elements, calculate the index. If the elements at the index is already negative, add the current elements to results, set the elements at the index to negative, return results.